I come to thank you for protecting me and my family. Thank you very much. You know, this is my first son, Akuba. He is too stubborn. But I want this my second son, Cheleku. He's obedient to one. I would like him to take over me when I will join my ancestors. To continue where I will stop. That is what I want you to do for us. I want you to continue protecting him. I was saying, I'm a nigga, man. Hey, I don't know for.
What is it? Did you see me?
Yes, I saw you, of course, but you're supposed to take this way. And besides, you're supposed to help me in sweeping this compound.
Wait, I should help you and sweep this compound?
Of course.
You are mad. You must be mad.
Me mad?
Yes.
I'm not in for this trouble. Just leave so that I continue what I'm doing now.
See, let me tell you. You are not in for all this nonsense and you must be in for every nonsense in this house. Are you hearing me? I can see that you are not growing wings. Right? I am the first son of this compound. And you must obey my rules.
Yes, you are the first son and I am a son here too. Right?
Okay, I'll sweep this thing again now. Let me see.
Now I can see it clear. Our forefather said that anytime the cockroach wakes up in the morning and starts chasing you, run, because you don't know if it develops teeth at night. Okay. Take it.
I'm not a cockroach.
I am not in for this nonsense.
Chaleku! Chaleku! Okay. Don't worry.
Nai! Nai, Obidike! Please! It's me, Uloma! Please help me, my daughter is dying.
Your daughter?
Yes, she was bitten by a dangerous snake.
And where is she?
She's at home, I can't carry her here. Please, she's unconscious.
Okay, wait.
Help me.
Your daughter will not die. Get up! I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Let's go. She can open her mouth.
with you. I want to see them. Don't worry, I'll take you to my friend. I would like to see them. Don't let you see them. Wait, just relax and have fun, okay?
Alright. Do you know how to do 10 things?
Of course not.
Alright, let's go. I don't know.
Okay, don't worry, I'll teach you. Just let me see. It's okay. Let's go.
What's wrong with this boy? Huh? Something must be wrong.
Olama, I want to let you understand. You're a beautiful woman. Your beauty cannot be compared with any girl in our community. Yes, every man will want to have you. You're very beautiful. But the truth here is that I can't just get myself to this love thing. Love don't freak me.
My love, I love you. I don't care what anybody say. Please. You have a good heart and that's why I love you.
I understand. Thank you for loving me. But I think this love is a distraction to me. I have many things to think of. Like treating people, trying to...
I don't care what anybody say. I love you so much. I know your brother has been disturbing me, but I don't care. I don't want to know.
Alright, see. I understand you. But the issue is that my brother is all over me. Do you know that the enmity in my home is even worse than the one I face outside?
Please.
My brother loves you. And he has been on my neck thinking that I am going to stand on his way to getting you.
Let's just leave the issue of your brother here. This is between me and you.
I understand.
You have a good heart. And that's why I love you.
I understand. But he has threatened to kill anybody that will stand in his way to get you.
My love, calm down. Please.
Alright.
I can handle it.
Alright, no problem. But you just have to promise me that you're going to handle it very well.
I will.
I don't want to get into problem.
Choloku, my son.
Papa.
What was that? Each time you are sleeping, since 4 market days now, I notice it. You will be laughing, you will be doing, other things.
Oh. Papa, the truth is that it's just a mere dream. I'm just having dream. There's no problem. There's no problem.
No, I'm your father. Just open up to me.
Papa, I will tell you. There's no problem. I'm okay.
Just a dream, nothing else.
Yes, I'm okay. Just dream.
It's okay. Go and get me a cup of water.
Okay, Papa. Alright.
Hola, man, Goma. This is the place. This is where I want you people to clear for me.
This is
We
very
start
big.
from here to that end.
As in that end?
Yes, are you seeing it? From here to that end.
This is very big.
Very
big.
So, this is it. So how much will I pay you to clear it for me? Eh?
10,000.
10,000. For what?
This is very, very big and wide. Look at it now.
No,
From
that, that amount is too much.
It's not much.
Cut.
From this place to the edge.
It's too much.
And it's very large. Look at it now. It's 10,000.
Okay, cut the price. It's too much. I don't have 10,000 to give you.
You don't want us to do anyhow job
Do
for
it
you.
very well. A neat job. I want a clean job. Talk now.
You should give us 6.
Let me give you 5,000.
No. 6,000.
6,000. So you can share it.
Please.
Okay, you know
What
what?
about sharing?
I'll give you 6,000 on the condition that you will do my job very
No,
well.
madam, that one is
and
not the
neat.
problem.
You don't have to
very neat.
complain. You don't have to complain about the job. Do it very, very, very okay.
Okay.
Don't worry about that.
Okay, let me go. When you finish, come to the house. I'll give you the money.
Okay. No problem.
Alama, wait. Alama, the most beautiful baby in this village. Alama, thank God you are here. And he's searching for you everywhere. So how are you doing?
Today will be the first and the last time you ever call my name. Never come close to me.
Alama, you know I love you. I'm ready to die for you.
Hey, love.
Yes,
love.
I love you.
Hey, don't love me, I beg.
I love you. I'm ready to die for you.
You can't die for me. Oh. You are dead already. You are finished. You are a useless human being. So there's no how you can die for me. Don't die for me. Please.
Alama, call me whatever you like, but I love you. Can't you understand?
Hey, God of mercy. Love. You say love.
Yes.
Don't love me. Oh. Don't love me. Don't love me.
Okay. I should not love you. I swear to the gods of our land, anytime I see you with Chaleku, I will break your head.
Try it now.
Don't worry.
I beg, let's walk. Leave this egos alone.
Get
like
out.
father, like son.
Hey, love.
Hey! Allah is in love.
Chaleku, my son.
Papa.
You see, you are coming of age now. I want to show you something that you take to live and become a man of yourself. You see this leaf, Agagasinga leaf. We use it to treat any type of snake bite.
Just
any type, even if the snake is as big as this palm tree. This Agagasinga leaf will treat it.
so, Papa, how am I going to apply it?
Yes. When you bring them, you squeeze them. You take the water, put where the snake bite, yes. You press the leaf on it. After some hours, you will see the person jumping up, clapping, being
just
happy.
Like that.
Let's say, just like that.
Seriously.
Akubala,
Baba.
come here. Where are you going? We are doing something important here and you are going out.
What is it? I'm going to see my friend. Papa, I have warned you several times. Stop disturbing me. I'm going to see my friend.
You see your brother?
Papa, don't worry. Just
You see this one? This one is what I'm aging.